Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Casil. Sorry that I'm gone today. I've got something that's going to help you today, which is what we were going to do next week. Might as well do it today. And on Monday we'll do a little more practice that will actually be a pre-test to let you see a few more types of questions. So today, what's posted in Canvas for you and what the substitute has for you is the actual 2015 free response portion of the AP Physics 1 exam. So the document that you'll share with a partner is 1 billion pages long, begins with the official documentation and the equation sheet that you're used to seeing, and then proceeds to offer you 5 questions. The idea would be that you could complete this exam in 90 minutes. So good luck with that. Some of these questions should look familiar because, in fact, we've done them this year. So what I would recommend is first pick a question that has to do with one of your goals. If you felt really uncomfortable with electricity, or if you really didn't understand the little bit of stuff we did about springs or energy, or the graphing pieces are what are hard for you, or if it's a question where you have to design an experiment for something, look for a question that matches what you're going to want to work on. These questions, as you can see, are 5 random questions from the year. Doesn't have a question about every single topic that would have been covered in the course. So, what I would highly recommend, and this is what's in your instructions on Canvas, do one question at a time. Start with literally just one in any order. Work on that one with your partner together on the same paper. And then when you finish, check your work. And there's 3 resources that are available to help you. The first one is Flipping Physics. Mr. P has every single question on this exam, including his own reflection at the end, in a playlist here. This is linked for you. You can also find it by Google searching, obviously, or by going to his website. So they're numbered. If you start with number 3, watch the video for number 3. The second thing that's available are the lecture notes from his website that work through each problem. So you'll see here's the solution for free response question number 1, and it works through the exact scenario, and then you'll see the same thing for the following ones. Okay? The third thing, and this is a pretty tedious document to dig your way through, but if you want to do it, power to you. This is the scoring guidelines for the exam. This is one of the things that teachers are given that shows how the score distribution actually was decided. You'll actually see examples of student work and teacher work as you go through this, and you'll see how they decide on the distribution of points, what ideas are important versus what mechanical actions are important. I do this same process when I score your exams and decide how many points each problem should be worth. You'll notice that for each of these problems, it's not entirely about the right answer. That's a component, but being able to show your work and show your physics understanding counts for the majority of the points available, not just getting the equation at the end. So those of you who've been tempted before to simply look up a shortcut for an answer, even if you find the right answer, that's not going to help you earn all the points because you can't show the process to take you there. Okay? So these are pretty tedious, but like I said, you're free to look through this if you want. The final thing is that when class is over, please keep your packet. I realize only one of you will have it, but it's linked right here, and it's also freely available on the internet. So you don't have it, you can click this link to download it, or you can search for it. You know what it's called. Okay, so the final thing is work hard. Use your notes. Help each other out. If someone in the room is working on the same problem as you and your partner, pull up a chair, work together, all right? And then I'll see you all on Monday. You're doing a great job. Good luck, and see you soon.